Coal mining itself is a complex process. Like any complex process, there are risks and dangers.
Sometimes you've got to really wonder whether or not the cost is worth it. Most coal miners enjoy their job. They enjoy the comradeship of who they work with, and they get to see some results of their hard labour.
The New South Wales Government acknowledges that coal miners are special. They have special rights. Those special rights are captured under legislation here in New South Wales. So under law, coal miners have preserved rights.
Underground coal mining, you've got to be very, very aware of your environment. Many times we've been told by the workers that they have to listen to the roof. The workplace talks to you.
There's a lot of debate about energy and the like, but the reality is that the world needs coal to generate power.
You shouldn't have to explain to your lawyer the difference between out by and in by. The lawyer should have some basic understanding of the equipment that you use, what a longwall is, the difference between longwall mining and board and pillar. The open cuts is entirely different. They're running around with heavy pieces of machinery.
Provided you're employed in or about a coal mine, and that's the test. Am I employed in or about a coal mine? Your entitlements are dealt with either under your enterprise agreement or under some law that exists in the state of New South Wales that specifically applies to coal miners.
Effectively, you're entitled to 78 weeks as being paid as if at work, or alternatively you get 39 weeks at award plus bonus, followed by a further 39 weeks at the award rate of pay before you drop down to the statutory rate.
You'll hear a lot about no win, no fee. It's one of the great misnomers, and it's one of the great misrepresentations that lawyers make, I think, as a lawyer, because it's misunderstood by consumers. No win, no fee does not mean no fee. If your case is unsuccessful, you'll be ordered to pay the costs of the person or the entity against which you've brought your claim. That can be a significant cost. That's why you need to consult lawyers who have knowledge of your industry and knowledge as to your entitlements to ensure that your claim is successful.
Unfortunately, over the years, people wearing suits are the people you should be aware of. I think it's because they get the perception that lawyers are not normal people. We are. It just depends upon what type of lawyer you come across.
One of the things that prevents a lot of people from proceedings with claims is they can't fund the costs associated with bringing their claim. They can't fund medical reports, expert reports and the like.
Your rights are a lot better and stronger than those who are not coal miners. That makes it a lot more complex jurisdiction to deal in. It's a different court. Different laws apply.
It's a very simple concept. Coal miners work within the mining industry, they do a fair day's work and they expect a fair day's pay.
Most coal miners know they'll make more money by remaining at work than they ever will in a workers' compensation claim. Hopefully they'll continue to remain at work.